Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use hidden translate feature in Google Lens app on iPhone. If you're traveling or see text in another language, Google Lens can translate it instantly. First, open the Google app or Google Lenses app in your iPhone. Next, right next to the search bar, tap the camera icon in the search bar to open Lens. Point your camera at the text you want to translate, like a menu or a street sign. At the bottom, swipe to translate. Lens will instantly replace the foreign text to your screen, English or any other language you choose. You can also tap the sorter button and freeze the text, then copy or listen to the transition. Safety tip: don't rely on Lens for passwords, payment pages, or sensitive documents. It's best for signs, menu, and everyday text. And that's it. I hope this video helped you guys on how to use the hidden translate feature in Google Lens app on iPhone. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too, and if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.